Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the Dolby Atmos into the Samsung A50. There is easy way to do. Slide upper bar 1 2, go to the right, and you can enable it. The sound effects work in earphone and the Bluetooth headset modes only, as you see. So if you have connected the headset or the Bluetooth, you can enable by clicking it. Or if you just want to settings, press and hold it, this option, and you can choose the equalizer of the Dolby Atmos. You IP scaler here, but you need to turn on here the headset. I'm gonna show you adapt sound under 30 years old, 30 to 60 years old, and over 60-year-old. Let's take a look of the headset. Let's gonna install it to the phone. Here, and as I said, you can enable it. Dolby Atmos and your sound in the headset gonna be much better. Go to the settings and you can auto for the optimized audio quality, movie, music or voice, whatever you want. I'm gonna leave it by auto. And you can UHQ upscaler to upscaling the audio too. So that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.